a brief tour of some of the features of the Pathtag.com website. You start off to get the most value by logging in. You log in, you actually will create a user if you don't have one, or you sign in with your existing credentials. In this case, we're going to sign in as demo user, but I'm going to take a brief stop at the new user page so you can see it. On the new user page, you just put in a few pieces of information, and it takes about 30 seconds to create an account on the website. Once you've created an account, you'll be able to log in. You'll come to your first page, which is called My Page. On My Page, you see a lot of really interesting upfront information. If you have any path cache, you'll see it here. You can also use tools like update or download your collection report. So once you get into collecting path tags, you can very easily print a PDF or download a PDF that you can take with you to events and things like that. Down the page, you'll also see random tag previews. You'll see things that are on your wish list. And you'll see wishes you can fulfill. So what is a wish? I'll talk about that in a minute when we get to the tag gallery. So let's go visit the tag gallery. In the tag gallery, you can see all the tags that are active in the system. Not all tags are active in the gallery for privacy purposes and content purposes. But here you can see if you've bookmarked a path tag, you'll see this little bookmark icon. For ones you haven't bookmarked, they'll be grayed out. You'll also be able to see if the tag is still in production, when it was created, its number, the tag's name, who the owner is, a picture of it, and then some actions you could potentially take with the tag. Not all tags are open for trade, but this is where you would start trading and adding tags to your wish list. Wish list is a way to say that you'd like a tag that's not currently open for trade. This gives the owner or somebody who has multiples of that tag the ability to come and look at your wish and try to fulfill it by offering you a path tag out of their collection for the one that you are wishing for. So if there's one that's open for trade, you'll see the trade button lit up like this, and you can click it to open a trade. A lot of the website activity is around collecting and trading tags, and these features allow you to trade online through the mail with other people from all around the world. When you're offering a trade, you'll come to a trade page where you can offer who you're going to trade with a tag from your collection. So down the area where you choose a tag to offer, you would select one of the tags in yours based on what's available in your collection. In this case, we'll select 35162 as an offer, and we'll tell the person a little bit about ourselves in the offer message. You can also include your address here to make it easy, and then you send your offer. And then there's a tool called Trade Manager, which helps you manage the trades that you have open with people. So let's go look at Trade Manager. Trade Manager has a variety of views. You can view all the trades you've ever been involved with. You can search those trades for particular users, tag numbers, trade numbers. You can view all your open trades. In this case, our demo user has 305 open trades. That's a lot. Most people only have a few dozen at most. You can also accept offers. So if somebody has sent you an offer, you would come in here to your trade manager, click accept offers, and it would show you that there are trades that have been offered to you. You can either accept them or decline them. And then when you're ready to send your tags out in the mail to people that you've engaged a trade with, there's a send tag view that facilitates addressing the labels and sending them out the door to the people that you've traded with. The send tags and other interfaces have special features that help you. So in this case, the send tags interface is going to show you all the different tags that are involved in the trades that you need to send out and how many of each, so that you can go into your collection, grab those tags ahead of time and put them aside. Then as you're going through and addressing envelopes, you'll be able to pull from that smaller stack rather than out of your full collection. You also, speaking of collection, have the My Collections page. This is where all the tags that you've logged in either as part of a trade, or maybe you found them in a path or a geocache, or maybe you bought them online from somebody. You add them here to your collection. If you have extras, so having one of them in your collection indicates that you have one. Extras means you have an extra one that you'd be willing to trade to somebody if they were wanting it. This is how wish listing works. If I put something on my wish list, anything I have in my collection where there's an extra, the person trying to fulfill my wish can choose from my extra tags to fulfill that wish. So here's my wish list. These are the tags that I added from the gallery as I might have gone through and seen them. that I want. There's only 30 spots on the wish list, so you've got to come in and make some hard decisions sometimes about removing ones that you don't think you're going to get and adding ones that you would really like. Logging a path tag is easy. You go to log tags there at the top, and all you have to do is enter the serial number and a location. Typically, that'll be your home location, but sometimes it might be an event that you were attending. A lot of times it's easiest to use a zip code there, a postal code, but you can also use GPS coordinates or an address. You can say how many you're logging. So let's say you bought 5 from a vendor at an event. You might log in that you have 5 here logging. Most of the time it'll be 1. And you can leave a message for the owner of the tag. So some kind of story like, hey, I got this at an event. I really like your tag. Thanks for trading with me. Or anything along those lines. There's also a multi-tag logging page. So if you have a bunch of tags to log in all at once, like if you come back from an event, you've got 150 tags to add to your collection. You don't need to add them one at a time in this interface. You can add all of them at once with our multi-logging features. And then of course you can order a new tag design as well. Um, so if you want to have the full access of the website and all of its benefits, then the ideal thing is to order a tag of your own. And from there, you can have that tag be available in the gallery, open for people to offer you trades, and available for you to offer trades to other people using that tag. So that's a quick look at a lot of the key features of the pathtag.com website and our Pathtag trading community.